Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about thermostat for Star Mfg part #2T-30402-07. The thermostat for Lang part #2T-30402-07 is a temperature control device used to regulate the temperature of a space. It is designed to be used with Lang's commercial cooking equipment, such as ovens, griddles, and fryers. The thermostat has a range of 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and features an adjustable dial for precise temperature control. It also has a built-in safety switch that will shut off the power if the temperature exceeds 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The thermostat is made from durable stainless steel and is designed to withstand high temperatures and heavy use. It is easy to. This part fixes the following symptoms. This thermostat is designed to regulate the temperature of a heating or cooling system. It can help to maintain a consistent temperature in a room or area, prevent the system from overheating, and ensure that the system runs efficiently. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the furnace at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the existing thermostat from the wall and disconnect all wires. 3. Install the new thermostat base plate on the wall, using appropriate anchors and screws for your wall type. 4. Connect all wires to their corresponding terminals on the new thermostat, following the wiring diagram provided with your product. 5. Place the thermostat cover onto the base plate and secure it with screws provided with your product. 6. Turn on power to furnace at circuit breaker and test thermostat operation. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.